Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful and very creative jute rope and jute burlap craft ideas. Jute burlap crafts is a very beautiful and amazing and very interesting crafts and decoration pieces. And jute plant holders support greenery indoors. They teach us to stay connected with nature, and jute mirror frames add elegance without heavy cost. Beauty does not always need luxury. Jute door hanging welcome guests warmly. A welcoming home always reflects a kind heart. And jute burlap is a natural and beautiful material that brings warmth and simplicity to any home. It looks classy, eco-friendly and timeless. One of the best jute craft ideas is jute wrapped glass bottles. These bottles look elegant on dining tables and remind us that waste can become wonderful decor. And jute flower vases are perfect for both real and artificial flowers. They teach us to decorate our homes with simplicity instead of expensive items. Jute burlap wall hangings add a rustic charm to empty walls. They show that handmade decor has more value than machine-made things. Jute table runners make dining areas look cozy and welcoming. They remind us that family meals are special and should be enjoyed together. Jute candle holders create a warm and peaceful environment. Soft light with natural texture gives relaxation after a long day. Jute photo frames preserve memories in a natural way. They teach us to value moments more than material things. Jute storage baskets are stylish and useful. They help keep homes organized and teach us discipline and clean lines. Jute burlap gift wrapping looks unique and thoughtful. It shows that love matters more than expensive packaging. Jute coasters protect tables and add beauty at the same time. Small efforts can protect big things in life. Jute lampshades spirits of light and positive vibes. They remind us to keep our surroundings peaceful and balanced. Jute door hangings welcome guests warmly. A welcoming home always reflects a kind heart. Jute mirror frames add elegance without heavy cost. Beauty does not always need luxury, and jute plant holders support greenery indoors. They teach us to stay connected with nature. Jute burlap clocks look vintage and classy. Time reminds us to use every moment wisely. And jute wall pockets are perfect for strong small items. They encourage smart use space, and jute napkin rings make table settings graceful. Small details create big impressions. Jute holiday decor fits every season. Nature crafts never go out of style. Jute burlap wreaths look beautiful on doors. They symbolize warmth, care, and positivity. Jute book covers protect books in a creative way. Knowledge should always be respected and preserved. Jute pen holders keep work desks neat. A clean workspace brings clean thoughts. Jute key holders help avoid daily stress. Organization saves time and energy, and jute placements make meals feel special. Gratitude should be practiced at every meal. Jute handmade bags are stylish and strong. Supporting handmade work supports skilled hands. And jute burlap trays are perfect for serving guests. Hospitality reflects good characters. And jute jewelry organizers keep accessories safe. Taking care of belongings shows responsibility. Jute craft boxes are ideal for gifts and storage. Simple things can be manufactured, multifunctional. And jute curtain tie bags add elegance to windows. Light and air are blessings to be appreciated. Jute wall art expresses creativity. Art is a language of emotions. In the end, jute burlap crafts remind us to live naturally, think creatively, and respect the world around us. Thank you so much. Take care.